Now next question. Question number 2. Simplify 3 by 4 into 6. 6. Simplify means that is 3 and 6 as numerators and 4 is the denominator. So first you can check that one numerator and from numerator and denominator, if you can cut or cancel any two numbers, so you can cancel or divide and write it. So 3 by 4 into 6 means both 6 and 6 is in numerator, 4 in denominator. So both 6 and 4 we can divide by 2. Both numbers are divided by the same number. So 4 we have to divide by 2. Then 2 how many times in 4? That is 2 times. 6 also divided by 2. Then 2 how many times in 6? That is 3 times. We are writing up. So now denominator only 2. Numerator is 3 into 3. So we cannot cancel. Then 3 into 3 in numerator and 2 will write as the denominator. So 3 into 3 answer is 9 by 2. Numerator greater, so divide and write as the next version is 4 1 by 2. Second question, 2 by 3 into 15. So here 3 in denominator and 15 in a numerator. So both we can, these two numbers we can divide. 15 is divisible by 3, or 3 how many times in 15? That is 5 times. Then denominator only 1 is remaining. So now 2 into 5. 2 into 5 by 1. 2 into 5, 10 by 1. 10 by 1 means the answer is 10. Answer is 10. Next question, number 3. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So in numerator 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Denominator 4 into 2. We cannot divide or cut. So numerator multiply and write as numerator, and denominator multiply and write as denominator. So 3 into 1 equal to 3, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Then answer is 3 by 8. Next number 4, 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. So 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. Here 4 and 12 we can divide. 4 how many times in 12? So, two ways we can do this one. First we can do this, 12 and 4 we can divide by 2. 2 how many times in 2? 4, that is 2 times. 2 how many times in 12? 6 times. So again 6 and these 2 we can cut, or 9 and 6 we can divide by 3. 3 how many times in 9? 3 times. 3 how many times in 6? That's 2 times. So that 2 and this 2 we can divide. Or the same thing we can do like this, 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. First cutting 4 and 12 direct cutting. 4 how many times in 12? That is 3 times. That 3 and 9 again cutting or dividing. 3 how many times in 9? That is 3 times. So then answer, so now we cannot cut answer 7 and 7 in denominator and 3 in numerator we cannot divide. So answer is 3 by 7. So according to your convenience you can divide or cancel. Next number 5. 45 into 2 1 by 3. 45 into 2. So 2 1 by 3 is the mixed fraction. First convert that one in an improper fraction. 45 into 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 by same 3. So direct we can divide. 3 how many times in 45? 15 times. So then next 15 into 7. 15 into 7 is equal to 105 is the answer. Number 6. 36 into 3 1 by 4. First 3 1 by 4 can change. So 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4. 13 by 4. 36 into 13 by 4. So we can divide 4 and 36 dividing. 4 how many times in 36 is 9 times. So 9 into 13. 9 into 13. 9 into 13 answer is 117 is the answer. Next question. Number 7. 2 divided by 1 by 3. 2 division only. 2 divided by 1 by 3. So division usually we are not doing. Instead of that one, we are multiplying only. Then take the reciprocal. After division symbol, what is the number? That one's reciprocal you have to take it. So 2. So division sign we are changing and putting into. That means take the reciprocal. 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1. So symbol division change and writing into. Then after that division symbol 1 by 3 is the number. That we will write 3 by 1 reciprocal. So now next check is equal to, in denominator only 1 remaining. So numerator 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is the answer. Next number 8. 3 divided by 2 by 5. Then 3 division we are converting, changing as a into. If you write into, then 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. Then 2 is in denominator, 3 and 5 numerator. You cannot divide any number here. So 3 into 5, 15 by same denominator 2. Now numerator is bigger number. So divide and get mixed fraction, that is 7. 1 by 2 is the answer. Next number 9. 1 divided by 3 by 5. 1 divided by 3 by 5. So 1. So division changing writing into. Then reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So then next 1 into 5. 5. 3 is the denominator. Numerator is bigger. So divide and mix. We'll get the mixed fraction 1, 2 by 3. Next number 10. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 3 division putting into. Then 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 1. Next 1 into 4 by 3 into 1. So numerator multiplying and denominator multiplying. We cannot divide or cancel any number in numerator and denominator. So 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 1, 3. Numerator is bigger, so divide and 1 by 3 is the answer. Next number 11. Minus 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So first minus 5 by 8 division changing into. Then reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Here we can divide 4 and 8. 4 how many times in 8? That is 2 times. Then no more numbers you can divide. So minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into 1 numerator. 2 into 3 in denominator. Then minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 by 6. So answer is minus 5 by 6. Next number is number 12. 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 14. So both numbers are mixed fractions. So first convert as improper fractions. 3 by 7 we can write 7 into 3 21. 21 plus 3 24 by same 7 divided by 1 by 14. 14 into 1 14 plus 1 15 by 14. Now change that to division symbol, that is into. First number 24 by 7 division changing as into. Then 15 by 14 reciprocal is 14 by 15. Now we can divide here 7 and 14 we can divide it. 7 2 times in 14, that is why cutting and writing 2. Now in denominator 15. Also if you want 15 and 24 we can divide here. 15 and 24 by 3 we can divide it. So I didn't divide here. If you want you can cut it, or last in answer also you can cut it. So now remain 24 into 2 by 15. 24 into 2 is 48 by 15. Now 48 is bigger, so we can divide and write as a mixed version. 15 3 times in 48, 3 by 15 you get it. So now 3 and 15 again we can cut here, or we have to cut here. 3 how many times in 15? That is 5 times. 3 cut and writing as 1 here, and 15 cut and write 5. 5 times in 15. So answer is 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5 is the answer. Next 13 is homework. Then question number 3. Subtract. Number 1. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. That is the question. So meaning, what is the meaning of 5 subtract from 8? That means 8 minus 5. What the word from? You know that the word from. So after the word, what is the number that you will write first? So subtract 25 from 60 means 60 minus 25. Subtract 7 from 5 means 5 minus 7. Okay, then subtract 2 from 2 by 3. So we'll write after the word from, what is the number? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we'll write first. Minus, subtraction, that is a minus sign. And the first number is writing here 2. Then 2 by 3 minus 2. And 2 we can write as 2 by 1. Step 2 by 3 minus 2 we can write 2 by 1. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Then 3 how many times in 3? It is 1 time. 1 into 2. Direct I am writing here 2. Minus 1 how many times in 3? 3 times. 3 into 2, 6. Now 2 minus 6 answer is minus 4. 6 minus 2 answer is 4, but 2 minus 6 answer is negative 4. That's negative sign is using here. Negative 4 by 3. Now negative 4 by 3, 4 is bigger number. 4 is bigger than the denominator. So divide and we will get negative 1 by 3 is answer. Next second question. 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. So 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. From is here. So this number will write first. From means from. So that after the word from, what is the number that you will try to first. 5 by 8 minus subtraction, that is a minus sign. 1 by 8. Now see here both the denominators are equal. So you can LCM will be the same number. So same 8 we are writing. Now numerators minus and write. Numerators 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 answer is 4 by 8. Now 4 and 8 we can divide direct. 4 how many times in 8? 2 times. 4 how many times in 4? That is 1 time. Now answer is 1 by 2. Next number 3. Minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5. Then first we will write 2 by 5. That is in bracket. Minus subtraction. Then next we are writing minus 2 by 5. So negative numbers always use in bracket. So in second bracket is minus 2 by 5. First bracket 2 by 5. This is a subtraction. Next 2 by 5 without removing these brackets. Then 2 by 5 same. 2 negative sign nearer to nearer. So negative and negative will be positive. That's positive writing. Then 2 by 5. So 2 negatives multiplied and plus. Then 2 by 5. So both denominators are equal. So LCM of 5 means it is same number only 5. Then numerator add and write. Numerator 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 answer is 4. Same denominator 5. So answer is 4 by 5. Now next number 4. minus 3 by 7 from 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 write first, minus second number is minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 in another bracket. That's equal to 3 by 7 minus minus nearer signs, so minus into minus plus. Then 3 by 7. Next same denominator, so 7 as the common denominator. The numerator is plus and right. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 answer is 6 by 7. So answer is 6 by 7. Next question number 5. Subtract 0 from minus 4 by 5. So first we will write minus 4 by 5 minus 0. So minus 4 by 5 minus 0 means answer is same minus 4 by 5. 8 minus 0 means 8 is the answer, or 25 minus 0 means 25 is the answer. Next number 6. 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 first minus 2 by 9. Denominator is 5 and 9 not equal. So find the LCM of 9 and 5. That's 45. LCM 45. Therefore 4 by 5 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 45 as the LCM. And same process, 5 how many times in 45? So 9 times into this 4 minus 9 how many times in 45? Is 5 times into the same 2 numerator. Then next line is 9 into 4 36 minus 5 into 2 10. 36 minus 10 equal to 26 by 45. So answer is 26 by 45. Next number 7. Minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 7. So after the word from, which is minus 6 by 11. So writing in first bracket minus 6 by 11 in first bracket minus subtraction, that's why symbol is minus, and next number is minus 4 by 7 in second another bracket. Next removing the brackets. So minus 6 by 7, 6 by 11 same, minus into minus plus 4 by 7 same. Now denominators are not equal, so LCM of 11 and 7, 11 and 7 same is 77. Then the same process, minus 6 by 11 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 77 as the denominator. 11 how many times in 77? 7 times into minus 6, then plus 7 how many times in 77? Is 11 times into this 4. 7 into minus 6 minus 42 plus 11 into 4 44 all by 77. Then here numerator first number is negative, second number is positive. So sign of two numbers are different. So different sign means it is find out the difference of these two numbers. Difference of 44 and 42 is 2. And bigger number is 44. So sign is positive. So 2 by 77 is the answer.